The launch of the Galaxy S21 series is just a month away, and as usual, we're gonna get a bunch of leaks about the three devices. This time, we have a detailed camera parameter about the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the screen protector of all three S21 variants, and the first live images of the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the S21 Plus. And we're gonna get a lot more leaks as we get closer to the launch, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any S21 updates. So Ice Universe posted on Twitter the real camera details of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it pretty much confirms previous rumors except for a typographical error with the telephoto lens, where it says 5x telephoto instead of 10x. So it has a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a main sensor with 108 megapixel resolution, which is Samsung's third iteration of the 108 megapixel sensor, the HM3. A 10x folded telephoto lens with 10 megapixel resolution, and another 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. We also have our first look at the screen protectors of all three S21 variants, and it confirms the S21 and S21 Plus will both have flat displays, while the Ultra will be the only variant to have a curved display, and it's gonna be a very subtle curve. Nothing drastic like the waterfall display, but similar to the curved edges on the S20 Ultra. It also confirms the display sizes on all three variants, so the S21 is gonna have a 6.3-inch display, up from 6.2 inch on the S20, while the S21 Ultra and the S21 Plus will maintain the same sizes as the S20 Plus and S20 Ultra, so 6.7 inch and 6.9 inch. It also confirms the phones are gonna have uniform bezels all around. And we also have our first live images of the S21 Ultra and the S21 Plus, courtesy of Enkoretech. And it confirms previous leaks and renders from OnLeaks. But the biggest takeaway from these images is that Samsung reduced the camera bump on the S21 Ultra compared to the S20 Ultra. And this is possible because Samsung increased the bump on the S20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra for aesthetics, and not because it was a necessity. So they can easily reduce it. Anyway, let me know what you think about the live images of the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech related videos. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.